Hey guys, it's Gio here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this atrix. Uh, I think it's atrix TKL, something like that. I don't know. I got it at GameStop for about $49, as you see right there, and it's like one of the new gen keyboards. It has MX Brown switches, and I'm really excited about this keyboard because I really like TKLs, and my original other keyboard that I had, it only had white LED lights, and I like customizing my keyboard to a specific thing, so I think this is very cool, so let's just get right into this. Okay. Think we started here, but I don't know if I will show you guys what this looks like unboxed. Okay, guys, here it is. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. This was already opened because well, there's nothing wrong with it. It's not even used. Well, it is used. It don't look very used. There's like nothing wrong with it. Really, some guy who took it back to GameStop, and I decided to take it because the original price was like $65, and my dad was just like, oh hell no. So let's just take this out. It looks very nice. I think it'll go very good with my setup because I have a black theme setup, and I think it'll be very good. And we're just gonna, in a little bit, we're just gonna do a quick sound test. Here we go. Alright, let's do sound test. Well, it's actually very loud. I really like loud keyboards. Atrix, and let's go ahead and turn it on. By the way, I don't play on PC. Hopefully I can get a PC for my dad said I can get a PC for my birthday, so that'll be awesome. Can't wait. Got this mouse a few days ago, actually. Actually, no, I got that mouse like a few months ago when I got I had like a Razer Bazooka thing. I had a Razer Bazooka mouse. It was a very good mouse, one of my favorite mouse. Yes, I play on keyboard mouse console. It's not actually that much delay. Yeah, it's an old mouse piece. Just gonna plug that in like so and wait for it to turn on. Alright guys, here we go. It has this nice, well, originally, I saw someone first get this and the normal colors were like, it was like this, I watched the video how to turn on the RGB, and like it's like a factor here, and you do. Well, I think it's this too. Oh yeah, I changed the color. It was originally like, yeah, it was this color. I changed it to red. There's all these different colors, and there are these different modes. Me personally, my favorite like pattern is this. I don't know. Sounds very nice. It has a very good, nice build. It has some risers on the back so you can angle it. These risers are very huge. What the hell? Like, they're super big. Like, you guys won't believe how big these risers are. Uh-oh. Took me a few minutes just to do the risers. They're really hard to put on. To flip up, sorry. My grammar is not good best right now. And, the kind of like, if you guys will look at, like, how wide and how huge this is, it's probably one of the brightest keyboards I've ever had. Well, my original keyboard before I had the Logitech G413CE. It was also a TKL, but it was only white LED light, only white lights, and It was not RGB, which is sad. And before I had that, and I also had like a little silver plaque looking metallic G right here. It's pretty cool. I want a Pacific one. My favorite switches are blue switches, but I like MX. I like Cherry. I like Cherry MX switches too. These are MX Browns. Browns I've had for a long time. Like my other keyboard had browns. My atrix 60% had blues. No, it had red. And it was the same keyboard as this. It's just the symbol on the keyboard wasn't here. It was on the spacebar, and it was much smaller. It also had risers, just not as big, and I didn't really use the risers. And usually back then I played with my keyboard straight, but ever since I started like this, for me I think it's a better posture, because when I was younger and I was starting to like play keyboard and mouse instead of controller, it was like a huge it was just like a huge switch, because it was so hard to do it, because there's like only